So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the features and things that I have added on this project right here. And I'm going to go through the code a little bit. I'm going to just open up Sandbox character. I'm not sure why the viewport keeps disappearing. That's a weird bug of the engine. So as you can see right here, the character can be able to pick up any weapon that is on the ground. So as you can see, I've added 3 types of weapons: the bow, the rifle. You can aim with the rifle. We can aim with all the 3 types of weapons that we just added on this project right here. So as you can see, here's the bow. You can reload the bow by pressing R, and you can shoot the arrows by pressing the left mouse button. So as you can see, the arrow is going to stick. You can configure if the arrow sticks or not. So as you can see, it also disappears. As you can see, when you're aiming, as you can see, it disappears. So when you reload, as you can see, this arrow disappears as well. That is on the character's holster. So as you can see, there are two arrows on the character. So if I reload, as you can see, the arrow disappears. Now I have only 1. So it also updates depending on how much arrows you have left. Now there is also the ability to pick up the rifle. For example, if you have the bow already in your hands, so if you press F to pick up, so as you can see, the character is going to holster the bow first, and the rifle is going to have a IK. I'm also going to be implementing that IK system for the pistol, but for now there's only the IK for the rifle. So if you aim up and down or left, right, as you can see, also updates. And you can also shoot. That's going to spawn the muzzle effects, the particle effects, the decal effects that appears on the wall. So you can also reload the rifle. You can also pick up the pistol, and you can also shoot with it. There is also a camera shake effect that appears right here. And the character, if you just stand still, the character is going to play the idle break animation. If there is no input from the player, the character is going to start looking around as the standby mode. I think that's what it's called. So the character is going to look around if you don't press anything. You also have this HUD system that appears in here. So depending on the kind of weapon that you have, so depending on the type of weapon you have, it's going to appear here. So as you can see, I have the pistol now. I can drop the pistol by pressing G. You can press Q. You can press the letter Q again, the Q key again to get another weapon that is holstered on the character. So as you can see now, he picked up the bow. You can also drop the bow if you don't want it, and you can press Q again. Right now I don't have a system where you can select which kind of weapon you want to pick up from the holster. So that is something that I'm going to be working on in the next devlogs. That's going to be very important to have that option to just press a button and select which kind of weapon you want to equip, which kind of weapon you want to drop maybe as well. So you can also drop any kind of weapon, and any weapon that you drop is going to simulate the physics. So as you can see, it's going to... You have the option to just drag the weapons away. I think I haven't set up physics for the ammo yet, because I think it's not really needed for now. I'm also going to launch another update that's going to be able to make the character to be able to pick up the arrows that are, sticked to the walls or any kind of object. The sprinting works great. The camera works nicely. We also have the option to go into the stairs smoothly. So in the default GASP project, you cannot run smoothly or walk smoothly on the stairs because in the default code you cannot do that. But I found a fix, actually say temporary fix. I think there is a better way to do it, even a better way to do it, but that's not going to change anything visually. What you're seeing right now is just in the back end of the code. There are better ways to do it, but that's the fix that I found so far in order to fix in order to make the character to smoothly walk on the stairs. And let me just get the rifle. As you can see, if you shoot the metal, but if you shoot the wood, it's going to spawn a different particle effect and different sound effect depending on which surface material you hit. You can holster the weapon while walking, running, or in the air. It doesn't matter. You can also reload regardless of the character state. And you can also pick up the arrows. So as you can see, when you pick up, it appears on the character's holster. So I'm just pick up again. So as you can see, it now appears in the character's holster. I can also pick up the bullet for the pistol. So now when I pick up the pistol, now I'm able to reload. As you can see, there is 8 available pistol ammo for me to reload. So I'm just press R, and so now I can reload and shoot. I didn't set the recoil effect right now, but that's still work in progress. So yeah, that's going to be it. I have a very precise aiming as well. This is very, very much precise. You can also crouch while aiming. I also have to replace the animations of the pistol, but that's okay. You can also see it in here. Let me just get the still camera. So as you can see, everything works great. So only the shoulder of the character, it's just a polishing issue. We don't really need to worry about it now. Is that the arms of the shoulder of the character is collapsing. It's twisting a little bit, but that's a easy fix. No need to worry about that right now. So as you can see, everything works great. If you can pick up the rifle, you can shoot. So that's going to be it for this. What is this called? So that's going to be it on this build. I've implemented those systems, as you can see. You can also see here which key you can press in order to do certain action. So with F, you can pick up a weapon or an ammo. G, we can drop. With G, you can drop the weapon. With Q, you can holster or equip a weapon. Later, we're going to be implementing a inventory system where you're going to be able to press Q and then you can be able to select which weapon you want to equip. That's going to be very useful. R to reload the weapon that you're holding. The shooting system is also done. You can press the left mouse button to shoot and the right mouse button to aim. So if you have any questions about the system right here, or if you have any bugs that you found while playing this build, you can contact me on Discord because we can make this project even better by adding new features, fixing bugs. So if you find a bug, you can just show us on Discord and show what you've basically done to replicate this bug, to be able to make that bug, to be able to make this bug. So yeah, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoy, and until next time, I'm going to be making this build available for anyone to download. So if you want to download this build, it's available for everyone. And if you want to get the project files, it's going to be the link is going to be on the description. You can access on Patreon. If you subscribe to the premium tier, you can earn gifts such as mugs, some merch items. You can check it out on Patreon. So that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed, and I see you next time.